Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are going to play with November 2022 page map sketch. And the sketch that really drew me was this one right here, where I can have a big focal photo and then two supporting photos. And I really liked the fact that the title and the journaling were off kind of to the side. Now, one thing that you have to note about this is that the back paper needs to be solid in order to pull this off. I did try to do this as a patterned paper. I really wanted to use this paper right here, but you just can't. There's no color that would work and you would show up your journaling on that. And so I am going to just stick with a plain old black piece of paper because I am talking Halloween. I know it's November and I'm doing Halloween stuff, but you have to wait until November to do Halloween stuff for the current year. So I printed some pictures on my Epson XP 15000 or something like that. It is a wide format printer. I added a border to this photo. Now this is my son, husband, and myself dressed up as Pikachu, Ash, and Misty from Pokemon. We were gifted this costume from a friend, and so we decided to go ahead and utilize it because that is awesome that somebody gifted that to us. So I am picking some Halloween papers from Echo Park. I think it's Halloween Magic is the collection. I really, really like this collection. I did not realize that I had so many papers in this collection. I'm going to go ahead and I've got a glitter piece of cardstock here that's in black that I did go ahead and take a punch to because my sketch kind of called for like a border punch here and there. So there is that. And then I thought I would kind of dig through my Halloween supplies and take a look at what I've got in there. Well, I have this really cute green piece of ribbon that I thought would be great for this border right here because that green matches that green, which was a happy accident, that's for sure. And then I went through my ribbon stash because I was like, well, I got ribbon there. I might as well get ribbon down here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this lacy bit. Just cut some off here. That, I mean, I got for 50 cents at a garage sale. Because that's how I shop for my scrapbooking supplies. I don't want to spend an arm and a leg, so I always find those deals. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of lay this down here. What I'll probably end up doing is just adhering the top and letting this part be what it is. It is kind of strange that it's trying to be like a oval shape. I don't know. Anyway, so that is going to be my base page. Sorry, my son has been sitting in the car for 3 hours. Just really wants to play right now, which is whatever. Okay, so there's my photo, and I'm going to go ahead and place these down here kind of like that. So you can definitely see the influence of the sketch. And then I recently redid all of my Halloween stickers because they were all on 12 by 12 sheets into a little notebook. So I'll have a tutorial for this because I think I'm going to do the same thing for Christmas supplies. So look out for that in the month of November. So I'll show you how to make this notebook and then organize your Christmas supplies this way. Now, the reason I did this was, one, I did not like going through my 8 12 by 12 sticker sheets, flipping through it, trying to find the sticker that I wanted. I like to look for a specific color. So that is how I got away from that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for Christmas, how this would be a great idea for Christmas because you got red and green. plus, you know, multicolor stuff or black or brown. So you have a limited color palette, and that's why I think I can get away with such a small notebook. So in my tutorial, later this month, I will show you how to make this notebook, how to add the wax paper, and then we will go through and kind of organize my stickers together. So just so you can see a really cute tutorial. Now, anywho, back to what we were doing here with this layout. So I've got my piece of string here. What I'm thinking for the title is Happy Halloween. Now, I want to use these Simple Stories foam stickers. I want to use them. I want to use them so bad. They're massive, though. I would have zero room for journaling, and I really want to journal on this page. And I'll end up journaling in white because this is a black background. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is using just this Happy Halloween sticker. Who knows what sticker sheet it's from, but it's probably just going to land like right there. I thought about overlapping it, you know, doing something like that. But I really like the fact that the title and the journaling are separate in the sketch. I don't know what it is. I just really like that the title and the journaling are separate. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep them separate. I've adhered everything down except for my title. And then I also drew some lines for journaling. As you can see, I'm not sure you can, but I just drew in pencil. So it'll be easier to erase. So now we're going to go ahead and decorate. So let me show you. I did adhere this just a smidge different than I thought I was going to. I went ahead and used the art glitter glue just along the top here. I used the edge of the paper to kind of guide where my thing is going to go. And it is adhered pretty well. So if you need to use something thinner than a 1/4 inch double-sided tape, that's what I used here, then you might consider your art glitter glue. I didn't know if it was going to work, and seems to be working pretty well. Now, I feel like if I were to glue these down, it would look funky. So I'm just going to let them be and pray that they're going to land right in my page. Because that'd be kind of hard to dig down in there and get them to lay flat. So we'll just fingers crossed. So I've got my photos adhered. This is going to be popped up on foam just to give it a little bit of a shadow when it is adhered. I know I want to use a couple buttons. I'm thinking October 31st would be the perfect one, or trick or treat. Got a couple trick or treats there that I can definitely use. I also have my stickers, and then the way that I've decided to organize my ephemera is in this cool little book from Joann's. So this was 70% off right after Halloween. So I went and grabbed that. So I just have everything that I could possibly want in here for Halloween. Now I think I need to change the way that this closes because it is magnetic and my stuff is overflowing. So I don't think I'm allowed to get any more Halloween. And then my Halloween papers are in a 12 by 12 iris bin. So we've got that. I'm going to go ahead and just, I think, stick with my stickers for now because they're easy. I mean, this is such a cute little notebook. Very easy to use. So when I take a look at the sketch, we've got a little cluster here, a cluster here, and a cluster there. I think it'd just be easiest to follow the sketch, right? So I'm just going to kind of look through and see what I can find. Ooh, that's cute. I'm really liking these little banners that Simple Stories has come out with. Yeah, but that covers up a lot of my photo, so we'll skip that. Now, a nice thing about this notebook is that I can take off and put back these stickers however many times I want. So this one I've already kind of used. I'll try to test it to see. So this might be kind of cute. Because I do have a little house where I can put the house right up there. Yeah, let's put the house, well, let's see. Do we want here? I think I want it up here because I'm at a house on this one. So we'll just stick it like that. Perfect. Let's see. I want to save this carving memories for when we carve pumpkins, because of course I had to get that as well. We've got Happy Halloween. I want to get some trick or treats on there. Let's see. Oh, we've got some sweets. I can do a little banner. Kind of tuck it underneath my photo maybe. Wish it was just a smidge longer. Okay, so we're not going to do the banner. Let's see. I'm just here for the booze. That is hilarious. Scary Squad. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so we're going to stick that right there. Or... Yep, we're going to do Scary Squad right there on my photos. Whatever. I don't really care. Okay. And then these are super cute. Let's see. Got some skeleton dudes. Sweet and spooky. That's cute. I really like this little trick-or-treat bag. That mummy is super cute too. Got a trick-or-treat. 31. I really want to put this on here somewhere. Okay. But it needs a base. It needs something. So what if we use this as a little base? We can put it right next to the word candy. Oh, look at, and there's a little spider there. Perfect. Okay. So that's good. Now let's get this one. Kind of like to start with a multicolored first. I love this. This is so stinking cute. I don't know why. I just really like it. So we can put that like that. And then we can put something kind of at the bottom here. No red. Not feeling it. I could do boo y'all. Because that is cute. It would be pointing right to my husband. Boo y'all. We don't say y'all. That's the only part that I don't like. Could put treat. That is a good base. If I wanted to put something else on top of it. Not really feeling that. Got candy. Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. Okay. Maybe we put it like this. Got candy. So we got candy there. That's fine. Well, let's do this. We got candy there. So what if I put it like right here, covering up some of that yellow. Got candy? Or that white, excuse me, not yellow. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So now let's get this candy in like a visual triangle, right? So we got some purple, we got some green. We need some green up here because I got green here. So here's some candy. Let's see. Do I want to, yeah, let's just do this candy. That's cute. Okay. And then I need some purple up here. And I've got this too. So I can't forget these. Let's see. I like these pumpkins. I want to do, we go something like that, or this is red, so I don't want to use red. I really kind of wanted to try to get this 31 on here, but I need some purple. So I've got a 31 here. Okay. And oh, I might need to do this instead. Something like that. Or do we do this? I wanted to use these. Darn it. It's just frustrating because this is like the perfect spot for something else to sit on top of. Okay, 31's there. That's fine. We need some purple up in this. I can do some purple candy. Go like that. What do I do on? Oh no, don't do it. Okay. Go like that. Nope, okay. So now that I've added the purple, my flare on top of it does not work. I'm going to have to skip the flare this year. I'm really sad about it because these are super cute. Okay, so let's check it. We got orange, 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 purple, 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 green, green, green. Perfect. And I've got a Happy Halloween right up here. Now, do I want to add any enamel dots or any cute little words? I try to put the words here in rainbow order. So I had them first. I could do candy overload. Do something like that. Right over the seam. Nah. Could do I want candy. It's like almost too big. Honestly, I don't know that I want to add anything else. So that is how my title is going to go. And the white pen that I'm going to use is a Jelly Roll 10 pen. I'll try to find it online and list it for you down below. I hope you had a happy Halloween and that you're catching up just like me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am trying to get to 750 subscribers by the end of the year. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.